Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian bak sarkar kala thong yo ba bindo emlanong, komu MDC kelam ka election ha ke Jhadc, ha ka South Rek mentahi unaitong arajar ka khandai. Kalathong part sayo nominated MDC sa Hapo Giant Hills Autonomous District Council kata da ukartong jong kaseng National People's Party ubabat ya kekerdan kumu District President jong NPP West Giant Hills District kata uba Octomewot Lamin ya uniu nominated MDC lapan semai ha ke jelang ke belalong ha ke South Rek da usyong kenor ke yeng torbar jong ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council uba lakhon biam ringkat ke jinan lang UMLA ke Jowai uba Wailat Miki Shella UCM ke Jhadc uba thombor siwan ki MDC ke Kongres bat ki MDC ke NPP UDP nalor ki bahing hasam jong uba Octomewot Lamin uba Octomewot Lamin udai uba syong basa akasnong mi mentru bat ulabat ya kam District President jong kaseng NPP Harilom Jentia mentalah nyosnam
I take this opportunity to congratulate Sri Octomewot Lamin, who has subscribed himself to the oath taking. May God bless you and grant you good health and wisdom, so that with your contribution, hopefully, we expect only hope, with your contribution, our District Council will grow from day to day, from month to month, from year to year, for the bright future of this council and of society. Thank you.
I, Sri Octomewot Lamin, have been nominated as a member of the District Council, the Jhadc Autonomous District Council, do swear and solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Shillong, the 26th June 2019. Number DCA 40/99/36. In exercise of the power conferred by sub-paragraph 1 of paragraph 2 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, read with sub-rule 1 and 2 of rule 6 of Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 as amended by the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, and on the advice of the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to nominate Sri Octomewot Lamin as member of the District Council with effect from the date of subscribing an oath or affirmation in terms of Rule 24 of the aforesaid rules, as the Jhadc Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, District Council Affairs Department. Torpedo, the Chairman, Giant Hills Autonomous Council, Jhadc, for favor of information and necessary action in terms of Rules 24(2) of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts, Constitution of District Councils, Rules 1951, as amended by the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. By order, Deputy Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, District Council Affairs Department.